Life is a series of first steps, conquering one challenge after another. Each step tells a part of a story that begins in a moment of determination and courage. My first steps tell the story of where I've been, where I am, and where I want to be. The first steps are those raw experiences where your heart is pounding out of your chest and your brain is running 1,000 miles per hour. The first step is that leap out of your comfort zone, taking advantage of a moment or digging that much deeper. One day, you could be listening to your favorite band in your room and realize it's time to take your air drumming to the next step.